In the year 2525, man is still alive. If woman can survive, they may fly. In the year 3535, you're gonna need to tell the truth, tell no lies. Everything you do and say is in the pill you took today. In the year 4545, you're gonna need your teeth, won't need your eyes, won't need a thing to chew. Everybody's gonna look at you. Well, howdy there pluckers, I have Sore Fingers again with you for another, hopefully, quick lesson. One of the easiest lessons you'll get, I think. This is probably the easiest lesson and the quickest lesson I'll ever make. Okay, song from way back by Zager and Evans called In the Year 2525. Okay, standard tuning, capo on the 4th fret, puts us into the same key that this song it was done by Zager and Evans. Okay, now then, there's only 4 basic shapes in this song. Okay, to start with: E minor, D, C and B7. Okay, now obviously there's several instruments playing the intro, and one of them's doing fairly quick strum on these 4 chords. Okay, so it's like a Spanishy sort of. That sort of thing. Okay, if you can do it or want to try and play it, that's what I'm doing. Okay, E minor, D, C and B7. Okay, and I'm just playing it very close to the bridge, very lightly, just on the sort of the higher strings from about 5 downwards. Okay, I'm not digging into the bass notes or anything. Okay, just a very light. Okay, if you don't want to do that, and I don't blame you for not wanting to do that, just play the chords. In the year 2525, if man is still alive, see if woman can survive, they may be 7-5. And then you play this little riff. Very simple. Both open 5th string, 1st fret 5th string, 2nd fret 5th string, open bottom E string into the E minor. Alright? So, and that's the intro, and then you're into the song. Okay? So, however you wish to do the intro. If you've got 2 guitars, obviously the other guitarist can be trying to play that sort of. In the year 2525, if man is still alive, if woman can survive, they may die. And same chords as usual. In the year 3535, you're gonna need to tell the truth, tell no lies. Everything you think, do and say is in the pill you took today. And then it goes into another verse exactly the same. All the verses exactly the same. Now obviously you can play the song, there's about 7 or 8 verses to the song, and you can play them all the same. There's 4 chords, okay? But the original obviously song, every 2 verses or so it changes key, okay? So you come out, say the 2nd verse, and you do that 2nd verse, in the year 4545, you're gonna need your teeth, won't need your eyes, you won't find a thing to chew, everybody's gonna look at you. And then it goes up to F minor, the year 55, okay, so it's the same chord sequence but in a raised key. So F minor to start with, and the easiest way to play this is unfortunately you go into bar chords, okay. F minor, I'm playing this is on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th fret bar chord from the capo, single first finger 6th fret bar chord from the capo, and then either 3 fingers on the 8th fret from the capo like that, or with a single finger, yeah. So F minor, that's the E flat, and then down 2 frets to D flat. So I'm now on the 4th fret from the capo, and then down 1 more fret but play a 7th. So I'm now on the 3rd fret from the capo, and I'm playing the 5th fret on the 4th string and 5th fret on the 2nd string. Okay, so C7, or you could play C7 like that, whichever you want. So you could go F minor, E flat, down 2, C7, or this chord, C7th like that. Then you go into another two, you do another verse like that, okay, in F minor. Then you end up on that F minor, and then you go up another fret. In the year 85 tune. And then this is an easier one. F minor, E, D, and then a C sharp 7th. So it's like a C7th, but with the fingering all up 1 fret. Thumb over the bottom E string to mute the bottom E string. Okay. So and it finishes up on that key. So you do E minor to start with, then you go to F minor, and then you go to F sharp minor. But my own advice is to stay all in the same key, the original key, E minor. Okay, saves a lot of hassle. Okay, so that's it. I can't tell you any more about that song. That's all there is in it. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.